everyone, it's Annalie and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, Jazwares came out with more Blackpink toys, and since I unboxed those dolls for Jazwares and Blackpink, I figured I'd unbox the box. So, here you go. Here we have the Jazwares and Blackpink VIP All Access box that's available at Target. The Target app said that my local store did not have it in stock, but I was walking down the aisle with the other Jazwares toys and I saw it on the top shelf, so I had to get it. It costs $19.99 and it comes with 13 surprises altogether. As you can see, I struggled opening up the box, but hey. What you do is you press the L in the front and it pops open. Look at all that confetti, I love confetti. And then of course, all of these surprises are bagged up. First you have the lanyard though. I would definitely use this for my keys. And then we have this attachment for the purse, for the handle. Here we have a pop socket, and I love pop sockets, so I'm definitely going to use it on a new phone. Here's a keychain. It's cute. We have a pair of glasses similar to the ones that Lisa wore in the Kill This Love video. Head over to TikTok to see how I look in them. It comes with 3 barrettes. I didn't realize I dropped one of them, but one says black, one says pink, and the other one is hearts. We have some cute stickers, Kill This Love stickers, and some bling stickers as well. And finally, we have photo cards from Kill This Love. So there's Lisa, Rose, Jenny, and Jisoo. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe for more unboxing of Blackpink things and just overall getting to know me. I love fashion, I love music. So, thanks for watching. Bye!